Hello friends. So next we will check some string functions in C. So string functions are used to perform certain operations on string. Example, strlen used to find the length of the string. strcat used to concatenate the string. strcpy used for copy the string. And strcmp used for compare two strings. Okay. So we need to use this type of string functions. We need to use string.h header file. So in this video, we will check strlen that will find the length of the string. Okay. So we have one character array, str free code. We need to find out the length of the string. So the length is 1, 2, 3, 4. And 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, right? So in this case, we can use strlen function. Okay. So suppose we are declaring one more variable int len that is equal to 0 and len is equal to, we can tell strlen of this string str. Then we can print out the length. We can use %d comma len. We can tell length. Okay. Suppose we need to use this function, we need to use string.h header file. Otherwise, we will get error. Okay. We can run this code. See implicit declaration of function strlen. Okay. So it is suggesting hash include string.h. So we need to use hash include string.h. We'll run this. Then we are getting the output length 11. Right? So we can use strlen for calculating the length of the string. So without using this function, how we can calculate the length of the string? So in that time, we need to loop through all these characters, right? So the end of the character means that is null terminating character, right? So we can loop through all these records, or we can loop through all these characters and we can find out the length, right? So in this case, simply we can use one while loop. While we can tell str of this length because it is 0 only, right? Length not equal to null character. We can tell slash 0. Then we can tell length, we can increment, right? So it will check up to this null character and it will implement the line. Now we can just run this code. We get the same out. Okay, thanks for watching.